Hi all, welcome to our channel. Major question is called every website we can indexing for your web pages and the number of pages will be count everything purpose. We have to use will be your particular website will be search engine crawling purpose. There will be how many web pages are here and how will be indexing your web pages. That all purpose we have to use option name is called XML sitemap. Select in XML sitemap purpose. We have this one of the website name is called xmlsitemaps.com. In this, we can click for more option. First, you can enter the website here. XML sitemap mainly we can download for up to 500 links will be free. That is the call. In your how many web links on your particular web pages that all will be count on your particular XML sitemap. They will be give the information only for how many web pages count. Here, copy the link. They will be identified complete three scenario. They will show the what are the page modification and what are the changes on your content. Everything will be crawled by the first option. Second option, what is the page priority? What are the priority will be important? That all will be second option. Third will be change frequency. What are the frequency? That is content changing frequently or web page. Suppose today I'll upload the XML sitemap file. I'm changing after 2 days, I'm changing content. So how to will be crawling the XML sitemap? What are the changes your content will be? Everything will be always, crawling will be always. What are the crawl the content? The image will be refreshing your web pages to show on to the search engine purpose. That is a purpose we can using for XML sitemap. This is a mainly focus about the sitemap linkings and any option will be here. Click for start the link. How many pages you have? All pages will be count and download by the in your desktop, upload on your particular cPanel. Anything, what are the content you will be upload? Anything that is a total 31 links. You can check everything will be after checking for view sitemap, download it. After this one, open it. How many links are there? Every link you can check from here. If you have any question is there, any link will be missing. Simple. Go to manually, click for here, link, Control C, Control F, Control V. Link is available. How many links you will be created? Every link visible by the in a particular. How you can upload in your cPanel? Before upload cPanel, after .com slash sitemap.xml. How to check? After that, sitemap.xml. This will be updated by the 7th 1, 2022. Now, new file will be 21/8/2022. After uploading, go to cPanel, File Manager. Upload procedure will be public_HTML. Create will be another website. Only your option will be download and upload by the File Manager, public_HTML, and upload the file. Always remember, sometimes will be take for the long time to the file will be scrolling for your web pages. No need to worry about this one here. Here. Today date will updated in a particular crawl pages. This is nothing but what are the changes you done, modification, everything will be shown to the XML sitemap. The based on we can crawl your web pages. That you can follow this sitemap file and upload your web pages and crawl your website. If any further to adding XML sitemap files and unlimited pages you can download purpose, follow my channel. I definitely every videos are available here. You can search in YouTube by Digital Rakesh. Every video is available into my channel. So if any further question, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.